In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Drive tutorial, how to delete all files from Google Drive at once. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account so you don't accidentally clear the wrong drive. Once you're on the Home or My Drive page, click on any one file or folder. That single click is important because it puts the page in selection mode, which makes the next shortcut work reliably. Now press Ctrl+ to select everything you see. If you're on a Mac, use Command+. This highlights all files and folders in your current view. Take a quick moment to glance through what's selected. If there's anything you don't want to remove, hold Ctrl or Command and click that item to deselect it before you continue. With everything you want to remove selected, click the trash icon at the top of the page. This moves all those items to your trash. They aren't gone forever yet, but they're no longer in My Drive, which helps you quickly clean up your main workspace. Next, go to the trash section using the left sidebar. This is where your recently removed files and folders are stored temporarily. Inside trash, click any item to activate the selection again, then press Ctrl+A or Command+A to select all items in trash. When you're ready to permanently remove them, click Delete Forever at the top. Google Drive will ask you to confirm, accept the prompt to complete the permanent deletion. Keep in mind, this step is final. Once you delete forever, the files and folders cannot be recovered. You'll likely see a notice in trash that says items here will be deleted forever after 30 days. That means if you don't need the space immediately, you could leave them in trash and Google Drive will automatically purge them after about a month. However, if you want to free up storage right away, or you need to ensure sensitive content is removed promptly, using Delete Forever is the quickest way. A few quick tips as you do this. If you have a large number of files, the move to trash and the permanent deletion can take some time to complete in the background. You can keep the tab open and let Drive finish the job. Also, this process applies to the content in your My Drive. Items in Shared with Me follow ownership rules, so deleting there removes your access, but doesn't necessarily erase the owner's file. And that's it. You've selected everything, moved it to trash and emptied it for a clean slate in Google Drive.